Lesson 32. Smell. Today we'll continue learning collocations related to the 5 senses, with expressions for describing different smells. Let's begin by looking at some commonly confused words. Aroma, scent, and fragrance all describe a good smell. You can talk about the wonderful aroma of a cake that has just been taken out of the oven, the fresh scent of flowers, and the sweet fragrance of a woman's perfume. The word smell is neutral. You can have the lovely smell of fresh baked bread, or the horrible smell of rotting food. The word smell can be a noun or a verb, so you can also say, "It smells delicious," or "It smells nasty." The words stench, stink, and odor all describe bad smells. There's the foul odor of a dead animal, and the revolting stench of sewage. The unpleasant smell of a person who doesn't take showers or use deodorant is called body odor. To describe the strength of smells, you can say they are light or faint smells or strong smells. When a smell is extremely strong, you can say it is an overpowering smell. A smell that you recognize can be called a familiar smell, and a smell that is unique and easy to identify can be called a distinctive smell or an unmistakable smell. Smells can waft. That means float through the air. For example, the mouth-watering scent of chocolate chip cookies wafted across the room. Another verb used with smell is fill. The acrid smell of smoke filled the hallway. Finally, if a smell stays in a place for a long time, we can use the verb linger. The spicy aroma of her cooking lingered in the kitchen for hours. Here are some additional collocations for describing smells. An earthy, fishy, fruity, or metallic smell is something that smells like soil or dirt, fish, fruit, or metal. A rancid or putrid smell is a disgusting smell of things that are rotten. A damp or dank smell is a smell of wet things and mold. A pervasive smell is a smell that tends to fill the space and remain there. And a pungent smell is a smell that is sharp and strong. It almost hurts your nose when you smell it. Listen to and repeat the collocations about smell. Wonderful aroma. Fresh scent. Sweet fragrance. Lovely smell. Horrible smell. It smells delicious. It smells nasty. Foul odor. Revolting stench. Body odor. Light or faint smells. Strong smells. Overpowering smell. A familiar. A distinctive smell. An unmistakable smell. Mouth-watering scent. Acrid smell. Spicy aroma. Earthy smell. Fishy smell. Fruity smell. Metallic smell. Rancid or putrid smell. Damp or dank smell. A pervasive smell. A pungent smell. Now take the quiz on the collocations about smell.